Tu regardes, tu restes, tu fais partie du truc. Ici, on ne fait pas de contenu fast-food. Chaque vidéo est un terrain de jeu, un champ de bataille, une énigme. Tu veux juste cliquer, passe ton chemin. Tu veux comprendre, rire, cogner, réfléchir, alors reste jusqu'au bout. Et si t'es encore là à la fin, t'es pas juste un abonné, t'es un complice. Bonjour, ici Gilles. Bienvenue à cet troisième épisode du jeu Blade Runner. Blade Runner, donc un jeu de 1997. Moi, présentement, je joue à la version améliorée, le Enhanced Edition. Donc, si vous avez regardé l'épisode 2, vous allez voir que j'ai dû prendre une décision importante par rapport au retrait d'un répliquant. Donc, je vous laisse regarder l'épisode 2 pour savoir qu'est-ce que j'ai décidé. Donc maintenant que j'ai fait toutes les choses que je devais faire dans ma journée, je peux maintenant aller me coucher.
Portrait of the sleep deprived.
Got your delivery here, man.
What?
Kingston Kitchen.
Oh, yes, right. Hold on.
Is this what the gravity be like on Mars?
Oh, no. It's about a third of what we got here on Terra. Real comfy. How about turning that dial, okay? When I say... Oh!
Please, can you control your rat?
I'll have you know that Ricky's a purebred Chihuahua, and he's totally real.
Things going good at Tyrell Corporation?
Boring, boring. Old man Tyrell's been on a Wagner kick lately. He never shuts up.
You also do outside work?
Sweetie, I never go outside. It's bad for the glands.
How about Nexus 6? You know a lot about them?
Uh-oh.
I think you should be going now.
Understand good, it holds deep meaning for me now. Where be your research on Nexus 6? I need test studies, contacts, the works.
Only simulator expert terrestrial gravity.
One more minute, you be swallowing this explosive. 3 more minutes, they be hosing you off the True Life building across town.
No, I swear. I don't have anything. If I did, I'd give it to you.
My people sick and dying. You tell me something.
Talk to Dr. Tyrell.
Tell me something I don't know.
The organ designers. Miraji, Hannibal Chu, Luther and Lance. They're closer to him than I am.
Where?
DNA Row. They're all working down on DNA Row.
You one miserable package man.
No! No, please, don't!
Pick up.
Hope you aren't camped out there with a bottle of tequila.
Donc, je pense que je sais quelle sera
Early
ma
bird
prochaine
slays
enquête.
the worm, McCoy.
Don't worry. I'm up, Lieutenant. What's the buzz?
One of Tyrell's employees got his fat face splattered all over the marble interior of the Tyrell building.
Inside?
That's right. But we also got a sweet little break on it. Tyrell's surveillance system recorded the whole shebang.
Beautiful. How many perps?
Just one. I don't know if it's related to the Runciter deal or not. Tyrell Security will have the disc for you when you get there. You'll be good, killer.
OK. Donc, on va aller enquêter aux immeubles Tyrell. Donc, je pourrais
Maggie,
peut-être caresser
come here,
ma
girl.
petite Maggie. OK, mais il n'y a rien à tirer de toute façon. Alors, on va aller aux immeubles Tyrell.
Your floor number, please.
Donc, on va au toit. On se rappellera que quand on double-clique rapidement, ça permet au personnage de courir. OK. Donc, vous voyez, on a la carte de la ville. Et plus que l'aventure va avancer, plus qu'il y a des locations qui vont s'ouvrir. Donc là, on doit aller enquêter à l'immeuble Tyrell. Donc, on y va de ce pas avec notre spinner.
McCoy, LPD.
Just a minute.
Where do I go?
Grav test on the east wing, 66th floor. Here's the footage from the security cameras. You get
OK.
a pretty good
Donc,
look
on va
at the
pouvoir
man's
exploiter
face.
ça avec
How'd he get
l'expert.
past you guys?
He pretended to be a delivery man. Dr. Eisenduller ordered in a lot, so it didn't seem unusual.
I may have more questions for you later on.
Yes, sir.
Donc, on va cliquer dessus sur le cas qu'on n'a pas
One more
tout
thing.
épuisé les options.
I've told you everything I know, Detective. I gotta work. These monitors don't watch themselves.
Bon,
Yeah,
bon,
it's
bon.
a tough gig.
OK. Bon, on va pas retourner sur nos pas. Alors, on va prendre l'ascenseur. OK, ici. Bon, c'est quelque chose sur lequel on doit cliquer.
Someone had tried to access a bunch of protected files on the Tyrell network. It failed. Not just once, but a dozen times. Tyrell engineers might forget their passwords, but what would the GravLab boys need with replicant DNA sequences and incept dates?
OK, il y a des choses par terre. On peut-tu
It
cliquer?
was a Tyrell sales brochure for the Nexus series, the kind of glossy hype that ends up littering the floor at trade shows. This one was for last year's infamous Lolita model, a big hit with the all-important dirty old man market.
OK, et ça ici. Bon, il faut que le réticule se transforme en verre. Bon.
The earring was shaped like an insect. I didn't know much about jewelry, but it looked like junk to me, like the cheap crap sold at the stands and shops of Animoid Row.
OK, donc ça l'indique un peu où on va devoir aller. Tout le reste, il n'y a rien à tirer. On va juste s'assurer qu'il n'y a pas d'autres éléments cliquables. Bon, est-ce qu'on peut...
I couldn't even begin to guess what Eisenduller's password was.
OK, bon, on va aller retourner dans la chambre, donc là où
Jesus.
le personnage a été tué.
I seen worse, but not by much.
Learn anything?
You could strain him through a sieve.
OK, donc...
I'd seen more dead animals than live ones in the last 24 hours, and now it was dogs. 3 of them. I thought about Maggie and nearly threw up. I'd seen more dead animals than live ones in the last
okay.
24 hours,
C'est
and now
bon,
it was
j'ai
dogs.
compris.
3 of them. I thought about Maggie and nearly threw up.
Ouais, si tu cliques sur des éléments que tu as déjà cliqués, il va
A
répéter tout le temps
takeout
la même
box from
bargaine.
Kingston Kitchens.
OK, OK, c'est bon. Ça ici.
The dog collar has a name on it. Ricky, maybe?
OK, Ricky. Voyons voir.
Obviously, he'd been killed with an explosive, and not just because he'd been plastered on the wall with 1,000 strokes. The detonator wire I pulled out of his skull told the whole story. The killer was an expert. The charge had been big enough to do the job, but not big enough to shatter the soundproof walls of the float chamber. But I wondered why the killer didn't just shoot him.
OK, il y a d'autres choses qu'on peut exploiter dans l'image.
I'd seen more dead animals than live ones in the last
Ouais, OK,
24
j'ai
hours,
compris.
and now it was dogs. 3 of them. I thought about Maggie and nearly threw up.
On va parler au...
This earring yours?
Maybe it belonged to that other cop who was up here. The babe with the shades and the cigarettes.
Ain't her style. Call her babe to her face, you're liable to end up with a severe limp.
OK. Bon, y a-t-il d'autres choses que je peux exploiter? Bon, manifestement, non. OK, sur l'image, il n'y a rien d'autre à exploiter. OK. Bon, alors, je sens que je vais aller... Je vais retourner. Il n'y a rien d'autre qu'on peut exploiter. Si je reclique là-dessus...
Eisenduller had used his dog's name as a password.
Ah.
The Tyrell brass wouldn't be too happy if they knew I was snagging a copy of their files, but someone had wanted them bad enough to kill Eisenduller, so I figured they must be worth having.
OK.
Nothing.
OK, ça veut dire que Ricky, c'était le nom du mot de passe pour découvrir. Il semblerait que le répliquant n'a pas trouvé.
Lagging behind again?
Gouza didn't say anything about me working with a partner.
Oh, in a pig's ass, Slim. No, I'm following up on my own. Could be it's linked to this Tyrell debacle.
How's yours connected to mine?
I'm still fitting the pieces together. You know the Moonbus massacre that went down last month?
Gaff mentioned something about it.
The rogue skin jobs probably flew to Earth. And one of them is a demolitions expert, similar MO to Vic upstairs.
Hell of a coincidence.
I'll call you if I find out anything more about your case.
Ok, donc c'était la chick du début là, dont je lui regardais le cul. Bon, elle s'en va, donc je peux pas interagir avec. Est-ce que je peux interagir avec l'agent de sécurité?
You friendly with Eisendoller?
Most of the employees I see coming in morning and night, but old Marcus, Dr. Eisenduller, he almost never left his lab.
He afraid of somebody?
I think it had something to do with the air outside, and the germs. I once heard him complain about it.
Smart. What was his job?
Grav Test Chief Engineer. The lab runs tests to see how a replicant would perform in different planetary gravitational fields. That kind of thing.
Ok,
One of the
intéressant.
other engineers could tell you more.
You know if anyone lost an earring like this one lately?
Not one of the employees, that's for sure. The boss enforces a strict dress code around here.
How did Eisendoller's moo-moo fit in?
Yeah, you know, company rules only apply to the lesser mortals.
How do I get in to see the big boss?
You don't, unless he wants to see you.
Okay. How do I make him want to see me?
Well, you could call his personal assistant.
Who is?
Don't know offhand.
Yeah, I get the picture.
Ouais, donc Tyrell, ça serait bien qu'on puisse le rencontrer. Est-ce qu'on peut?
Do you know anything about Tyrell's computer system?
Security's tight as a drum, if that's what you're asking.
Somebody tried to access restricted data from the terminal in Dr. Eisendoller's office.
But they couldn't get in.
Yeah. Looks like Dr. Tyrell keeps his files safer than he keeps his employees. I may have more questions for you later on.
Yes, sir.
Ok. Bon, fait que là, on a épuisé toutes les options de discussion. On peut-tu remonter? Non. Bon, il n'y a rien de différent. Bon, alors à ce moment-là, je sens que je vais quitter les immobiliers Tyrell. Les immeubles Tyrell. Qu'est-ce qui est ouvert? Bon, il y a le secteur animalier. L'animalerie Roncester, ça c'est là où le premier crime a eu lieu. Jonathan. Mon appartement et le poste de police. Ça serait peut-être une bonne idée que j'exploite le disque qui m'a été envoyé. Donc, je vais retourner à mon appartement. Je vais utiliser le disque. Puis, je vais tenter de découvrir des indices à partir de mon esper. Puis ensuite, ben, lorsque je vais revisiter les endroits, ben, au moins, je vais avoir des indices en tête.
McCoy, 88F.
88. Thank you.
OK. Bon, voyons voir.
Scanning video disk. One enhanceable image found. Adding enhanceable photographs to Kaya database.
OK, donc il y a une image exploitable.
Tyrell Grav Test Lab.
OK. Ah, ça c'est Ricky, hein? Ça semble être le petit chien. On peut-tu l'agrandir? OK.
The dog collar has a name on it. Ricky, maybe? Give me a hard copy of that.
OK. Lui, il me faut une photo, c'est sûr.
The earring was shaped like an insect. I didn't know much about
Well,
jewelry,
the
but it
earring-
looked like junk to me. Like the cheap crap sold at the stands and shops of Animoid Row. Give me a hard copy of that.
OK, OK. Est-ce que je vais en apprendre plus sur lui? Pas vraiment. Bon. OK. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres choses qu'on peut exploiter? Il y a tellement d'éléments dans l'image que vraiment, c'est difficile à dire s'il y a beaucoup de choses qui peuvent être exploitées. Mais je crois qu'on a fait le tour. Est-ce que je peux tasser l'image comme ça? Ça ici. Non. Ok, je pense que j'ai tout exploité ce que j'avais. J'ai tout pris ce que j'avais besoin. Ok, on va quitter l'espace. Et là, on va aller visiter les lieux qui ont été débloqués plus tôt. Allons prendre notre spinner. Bon, ok. Alors, on commence avec quoi? Chinatown, peut-être. Ça, c'est un endroit qui a été... Ah non, on l'a visité. C'est la première chose qu'on a visité. OK. Dans ce cas-là, je vais retourner. Je vais aller dans le secteur animalier. C'est vraiment hallucinant comment le jeu peut réussir à nous faire l'honneur de ressembler beaucoup au film. Dans l'ambiance, la musique, une ambiance glauque, la pluie qui tombe, tout. Vraiment un bon jeu pour l'époque. Je vais sauvegarder. OK. Bon, OK. On continue. On commence. Ah, j'aimerais aussi parler à elle ou à lui.
You know who deals in insects down here?
You don't want insects? They're no good companion. But fish. Fish are good. I have every kind of fish for you. Blowfish, dorado, miniature sailfish. Very friendly.
No, thanks. I got a dog at home.
Fish just as good as dog.
No, my dog is real.
Real? Oh, you must make lots of money.
Let's get back to insects. Official LPD business.
Down at end of Animal Row, you see big green sign? You try there. Good luck with dog, friend. Hope he stays healthy.
She.
OK. Donc, la grosse affiche en vert, effectivement, ça ressemble à la boucle d'oreille donc du personnage du Rastaman qu'on a découvert. Donc, je pense que ça serait intéressant de jeter un coup d'œil.
This your work?
Ah, the dragon.
Dragon?
See? Anosoptera. Dragonfly, late of the American South Swampland.
You sell jewelry with dragonflies?
Item like that, very special significance. Very rare, senor. State item. and most likely part of large collection. Person must have plenty money to obtain a collection.
More than I can afford.
You try Hawker's Circle. Might want to trade for this. With luck, you may find.
If this is from a collection, I'm also looking for the other pieces.
I make you a deal. I found out where to get Dragonfly jewelry. Then you buy a piece, right? For special lady friend? You come back later.
I'll do that.
You take care, chasing the dragon.
Bon.
Handsome man like you has lady friend, of course.
All my girl cares about is food and love.
Oh, how romantic. What is this girl's name?
Maggie.
Maggie. Ah,
Maggie.
Maggie, senor.
C'est le nom du chien.
It's perfect, is it not?
It's kind of ugly, but you tug me.
Bon.
Might I interest you in a snake lover one?
Not today, thanks. You know anything about insects?
I regret that I do not know one, save that I feed them to my snakes.
You do what?
Artificial ones, of course. The safeguards in the design of my snakes would not allow them to swallow a real insect.
I assume that this insect is already extinct.
They all died after the war, yes.
So the fakes must be pretty expensive.
If bought in bulk, the price is acceptable. They do not need to eat them, of course, but the added realism is worth every penny. Have you ever seen such craftsmanship?
Right now, I'm more interested in the insect.
Perhaps you should ask the Peruvian woman next door. She's an expert on such things and will cut a wonderful deal to friends.
OK, bon, ben la femme dont il parle, je viens juste d'aller la voir. Elle aurait-tu d'autres choses à me dire, par hasard?
You hear anything yet about that dragonfly jewelry, like what I showed you before?
No, senor. My friend, he's asking for me. If you come back later, maybe I know something more.
Bon, OK. On va continuer notre périple. On va faire le tour du secteur animalier. On peut-tu aller là? Ouais. Ou je peux continuer dans cette direction-là. Je vais faire le tour. On va sauvegarder. Puis allons parler à cette maman haïtienne.
Step up. Mama Isabella cooked you something special. Put a glow in your cheek.
McCoy, LPD. Mind if I ask you a couple of questions?
Questions? They always need answers.
Okay.
This guy work for you?
No, but I wish he do. He be one fine-looking man.
You sure? Never seen him before.
I'd remembered him for sure.
That stew's looking tasty.
Fix you right up. Only dirty chinion. It put a spring in your step, man. The ladies, they be loving you.
Bon, c'est autre chose que je peux soutirer d'elle.
You send a lot of deliveries over to Marcus Eisenduller at the Tyrell building?
Eisenduller. Oh, Eisenduller, yeah. Let me tell you, that man can't eat.
Send anything over lately?
No, sir. No deliveries to him no more. Not since last month. He be way behind on his bill.
Not for a month, eh?
At least. No more till him pay up.
You may have a little trouble collecting. He's dead. Thanks for your time.
Bon. Donc, on est allé au kitchen, là où la livraison a été effectuée à partir du Rastaman, mais apparemment, ça fait un mois qu'il ne l'a pas fait. Alors, manifestement, le Rastaman a inventé une livraison. Hein. Il fallait pas être dupe, là, c'est évident. Fait qu'on va continuer notre enquête. On va sauvegarder en cas. Kingston's Kitchen. OK.
I got a couple of questions for you, Captain.
First one's on the house. The rest you pay for. You want chit-chat, you hire a hooker. This ain't no social club.
Bon. Pas bien gentil.
Nice bracelet, tough guy. Who's Maggie, your mommy?
She's a dog.
So is my wife, but I sure as hell don't brag about it.
Pour me one.
Just one?
One, but one good one. Pour me one.
Just one?
One, but one good one.
Hey, bon, je vais arrêter de boire, là. Hein? Donc, j'ai rien d'autre à soutirer d'elle. Je vais encore sauvegarder. On continue. Bon, il y a un mec qui semble attendre ici. Qu'est-ce qu'il nous a à nous dire?
2 minutes. That's how much time I give every stranger that wanders in here off the street.
Sell a lot of stuff that way?
I don't encourage browsers. What impresses me are people who know what they want and are not afraid to pay for it.
What's the most expensive thing you got in here?
Value is a relative notion. What's significant to you might be meaningless to me.
And vice versa.
Everything here is guaranteed. The finest, most authentic anyone can get.
Let me tell you what I want, and maybe I'll impress you.
All my paperwork is in order.
Doesn't matter. I don't read anyhow. What's your name?
Izo.
You move a lot of valuable goods through here? Valuable and exotic?
How exotic?
We're talking exceptionally fine jewelry in the shape of a dragonfly.
They were so majestic. I remember them from my childhood. And that was the last time I've seen them.
It's very important that I find out about this. Can you help me?
If I see something, and you can match whatever my collectors will pay, it's all yours.
Thanks a million.
OK. Bon, il peut se montrer... c'est parti pour revenir. Bon, ok, je peux pas agir autrement ici. Ok, je vais continuer. Donc, je suis un petit peu à bout de ressources. Je vais aller voir le Bob, là. Le surplus militaire. Je vais sauvegarder avant.
That a 45 blaster under your coat, or you just happy to be here?
You got good eyes.
They ought to be. They're the only organs of mine that survived the Phobos Wars intact.
Ray McCoy, Rep Detect.
Blade Runner, huh?
Okay.
How come I never heard of you?
I just got assigned.
Yeah, I'm kind of buddies with Davey Holden. How's he doing?
Word is he's gonna be okay.
That skin job must have been pretty damn quick getting by Davey like that. He's the best in the business.
He'll be back on the job soon. You sell any off-world stuff? Like Ender rifles?
Nah, I ain't seen anything like that in years. Wish I had one, though. The Endo was a real workhorse. Good stopping power, decent rate of fire. You looking? Gonna cost you a bundle, I'm afraid.
Not really. Somebody shot up Runciter's shop with one.
Sucker had it coming. I'm sure of that.
Why's that?
Runciter's always putting on those airs like he's better than everybody else. But he'll do anything for a buck. Sell anything to anybody. That's where I draw the line. If it's suspicious, it's out of here. Got no place at Bullet Bob's.
You know anyone who might sell Ender rifles?
There's one other guy around here who dips into that stuff. Got a pawn shop down the street. Goes by the name of Izo.
Ah ouais,
But who
ben,
knows what the
justement, c'est
real
lui.
title is?
Izzo, huh? Sounds like you don't like him.
Izzo's okay. He's run the Greenhorn for a while. We're friendly competitors, I guess. But I don't appreciate his politics.
Yeah?
Rumors, that's all they are. I was out there, Ray. I did my time. 3.5 years worth. And I can tell you, Rep's got no business being down here on Earth, okay?
Yeah. Earth don't deserve him.
Tell me about it. We got standards to uphold
Ah,
down here.
il est fâché.
You got any decent ammo for my piece?
You mean the good stuff? Because I know them police issue spitballs just don't cut it.
Not these days.
Yeah, I know how it is. If you want to drop a skin job, you need a little extra oomph. I got a few clips around here somewhere. If you got the chin yen for it.
Okay, let's have it.
OK. Bon, je peux sauvegarder.
Thanks for your time.
OK. Non, je vais m'en aller. Je vais retourner voir Izzo. OK, il est là. J'ai l'impression qu'il y a quelque chose à cacher, lui. Je vais sauvegarder au cas où.
How about off-world assault weapons? You got anything that's a match for these?
I don't deal in anything from the off-world. It's too hard to authenticate.
A man of your expertise could probably tell, though.
I don't even like to have them in here. My friend Shoshana Yuri picked up the Eos plague from some gunner's space helmet. He was vomiting blood for days.
Ever consort with a group called CARS? C-A-R-S?
CARS. What is that?
Citizens Against Replicant Slavery.
I don't have time for such pursuits.
How about Spencer Gregorian?
The same goes for him, whoever he is.
Funny, because he described you to a T. Even down to that stupid little ponytail you got.
It's called a tromagi.
What would you say if I told you Gregorian named you as one of the people who was there when the Tyrell building blew up?
There's a mistake somewhere along the chain of communication.
So, you're denying all involvement?
I won't lie to you, Detective. There was a time in my life when I might have been involved in such an organization. I actually cared. But now, all I care about is my business. I am nothing but a humble salesman. Perhaps I can interest you in this camera. 100 years ago, it was a cherished item. Whole families sat for portraits.
I've seen plenty of photographs in my time.
Have you ever seen this?
Ouch. Bon, je vais prendre la caméra.
Locked.
Sauf que je peux faire ça. Ah, intéressant. On a découvert une cache d'armes. Donc, manifestement, ils cachent des armes de façon illégale. C'était lui, le fournisseur des réplicants.
There were off-world rifles here and more. Grenades, explosives, modern rifles, even some police-issue restricted weaponry. Izzo wasn't some small-time fence, but a big-time arms dealer. The exact arms that renegade replicants would be looking for to survive in the big city. Nothing else there.
OK, est-ce qu'il y a d'autres choses à voir ici?
Nothing else there.
OK, il semble y avoir un espace où aller là-bas. C'est par là qu'Izzo s'est envolé. Bon, il n'y a rien à découvrir par là. On va continuer. Dans le fond, je semble être dans les égouts, ou ce qui commence à être les égouts. OK, intéressant. Sauf que je peux pas passer.
That's impossible.
Ouais, c'est ça. Et je pense qu'il faudra que j'y revienne plus tard.
That's impossible.
Est-ce qu'il y a... Ici, par exemple, je pourrais viser ça avec mon fusil. Est-ce que ça pourrait faire abaisser? On dirait que non. Bon. Il semble que je puisse pas faire rien pour l'instant. Ici... Ok, je peux retourner par l'escalier, par l'échelle. Donc, on a découvert quelque chose. Oh.
Have all my hard work obliterated just because you stumbled into my shop, Detective. Westerners need guns and hardware. All I need is will.
Freeze, Yoshi!
Oh.
Ezo.
Whatever. Been keeping yourself busy?
I'll be out of lockup within the hour.
Your skin job friend's gonna take up a collection to bail you out, or you got it saved up?
Maybe I got friends in high places.
Yeah, and if my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle. What are you doing here, Slim?
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
I've been tracking this boy for a week. He thinks he's pretty clever. He's a material witness in a case I'm working. In fact, your best buddy's a replicant, isn't he? The big guy with the dreadlocks. What's his name again?
Hallucinate often?
That's okay. You'll be giving him up to me soon enough. I can handle it from here, Slim. Why don't you go buy yourself a lollipop? Something else to suck on.
Very clever.
But I wasn't trying to be.
Oh. Ok. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose que je peux aller faire par là, moi? Ok, je reviens à l'annuellerie Runsitter. Bon, j'ai rien d'autre à découvrir ici. Est-ce qu'elle a quelque chose d'autre à me dire avant que je m'en aille?
You hear anything yet about that dragonfly jewelry, like what I showed you before?
No, senor. My friend, he's asking for me. If you come back later, maybe I know something more.
Bon, d'accord. Donc, ce que je vais faire, c'est que j'ai ramassé des photos avec la caméra. On suppose qu'il y aura une photo de moi, mais il y a peut-être des choses qu'on va pouvoir découvrir.
I had nothing to connect this Ezo character to the Eisendaler murder. But if the replicants had done in one Tyrell scientist, maybe they'd go after another. And the subcontractors down on DNA Row didn't have Tyrell security to protect them.
Je vais retourner donc ici, secteur génétique. Mais je vais d'abord retourner dans mon appartement pour voir les images, si je peux trouver les indices à partir des images de la photo de la caméra.
Your floor number, please.
Apartments.
McCoy, 88F.
88. Thank you.
Good doggy.
Attends, je vais
Here
donner
you
des
go,
friandises.
baby. Dinner time.
Et voilà. Bon. On va aller sur l'inspire maintenant. Est-ce qu'il y a des choses que je peux découvrir? Ok. Donc, celle-là. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose ici que je peux découvrir? Ah. Hein? C'est qui ça? C'est drôle qu'il me ressemble. Bon, il y a moi. C'est qui lui? Je le vois juste de dos.
A strange scale. Give me a hard copy of that.
Ah. Ok, intéressant. Bon, ok, ici j'ai rien appris. Bon, j'ai appris une chose, mais qui reste à développer. Ah, et c'est qui ce personnage-là? Ah, ok. Ah, intéressant. C'est notre personnage du début. Celui qui était à la librairie au
Give me a hard copy of that.
Ok, et à qui il parle exactement? Bon, on ne sait pas à qui il parle. C'est autre chose que je peux développer. Non. Ok. Bon, il semble que c'est la seule chose qu'on peut exploiter. Ok. Donc, j'ai la possibilité d'aller continuer mon investigation. Je vais aller en spinner. Et là, je vais me rendre au secteur génétique. Ok, wow, une belle image tirée du film Blade Runner. Alors voilà, c'est comme ça que se finit cet épisode 3 donc du jeu de l'aventure Blade Runner. La prochaine, ça va être l'épisode 4. Donc dans l'épisode 3, on vient de voir l'enquête dans le secteur animalier. On veut savoir l'origine du herring, donc de la boucle d'oreille. On veut commencer à enquêter sur le meurtre du mec là, chez Tyrell Corporation, qui est, à fin de compte, c'est qui lui? Ok. Alors voilà. Donc, je vous remercie de m'avoir écouté jusqu'à la fin. Et puis, on se rejoint donc pour l'épisode 4. Merci.